Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Why are you guys way back there? Have fun at school. Good morning, it is the 19th of June, just dropped the kids off at school, heading into Stratford now. I've got transfers to do this morning. Think I've got everything.
Was a long and dark December. From the rooftops I remember there was snow, white snow. Clearly I remember from the windows they were watching while we froze down below. When the future's architecture by a carnival of idiots on show, you better lie low. If you love me, won't you let me know? It was a long and dark December when the banks became cathedrals and the fog.
Made it into Stratford, got our client to a hair appointment. I might shoot across to the dairy and get me a drink, because man am I thirsty this morning. Riley's in town with me, he's going to catch up with some friends because his year at school is on strike today. It's not raining, so that is a bonus, but it's overcast, cloudy and a little bit chilly.
If you love me, won't you let me know? It was a long and dark December when the banks became cathedrals and the fog became gone. Priests clutched onto Bibles, hollowed out to fade their rifles, and the cross was held aloft. Bury me in armor when I'm dead and hit the ground. My nerves are posed and unfroze. And if you love me, won't you let me know? I don't wanna be a soldier, be the captain of some sinking ship with stone.
We are back, successful trip to town, transfers are all done. It's about 11:30, so inside for a cup of coffee, see what's happening here before we have some lunch I guess. See what Leonie's got planned for the afternoon. Ah, she's on the computer doing some work by the looks.
Riley just come in saying, "Where are the kids?" Duh, it's Monday.
They're at school.
I am just finishing up with some tour bookings.
Oh cool, yeah, getting them sorted.
Yeah. What is it? What does it say?
Don't know.
I'd say it's machine order.
It's got some Chinese writing on it.
Yeah, it will be.
Mandarin or Cantonese, I can't tell. It looks very thin. That would have been good at field days over the weekend.
I know, but it's come earlier than what they said it was going to. It is a nice coat. $55.
Jeepers. That'll work? Perfect.
What's the pigment?
Now how good would that have been on Saturday?
Yeah. Never mind.
Never mind.
Now. It'll be good for netball.
Lunch is sorted. Weather's turned drab and dreary again. It came out nice and sunny while we're having lunch, but never mind. I think my plan is now to have a look at this washing machine. Like I said last time, I know nothing about washing machines. We'll make it up as we go. There is brand new ones at Trade Depot in Hamilton, so I might just pick one of them up on Thursday. Quite cheap, which is good, with a 2-year warranty. So I can just make our one work till Thursday. At least we'll have clean clothes. Heater's going well. We'll just come around this way a bit like that. Now, right, now I don't have to worry about water going everywhere. The ground's not wet under here, so it's not leaking.
Well, it did just a bit.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
After I'd washed those 2 massive pillows in here, it had leaked, and that's when it went bung after that.
So much easier having tools to do it.
Put it on. Rinse. Spin. Oh, there.
Oh, it's down here. It's the wiring down here.
The wiring.
Under here.
Oh,
It's not even plugged in. The pump's not plugged in. So it's nothing to do with the vol sensor. Is it unplugged up there?
yeah, you unplugged it. So the pump was just sitting on the ground, is it?
Yeah, and then when you move the bowl, it would be making this connect.
Oh. So what those little wires just there were? Not
Oh yeah, one
connected.
wasn't even on.
So now it should. It didn't get wet, did it? Go, push this in it. No. Yeah, now turn it off. Now push it.
Put the lid down.
Well, it shouldn't. It doesn't need the lid down to do this. It's turning off now. Oh no, it's not. Oh yeah, 24 for that. 12 for that. It's on spin.
I think it's buggered. Does it always say SP on there?
SP means paused. I'm pretty sure anyway. So I've unpaused that now and it's supposed to be going. That's supposed to be going now. Do you want to whack that thing with a stick down there?
No.
Umbrella?
It's electrical.
I know.
Pass the umbrella.
That's why I said stick. You're better off with wood. Well, not to unplug it, just...
Because when you turn this off, look, that screen goes all dicky, eh?
Yeah.
That's off now and it's still doing that.
Yeah. We really buggered it. Oh, there you go.
It should not do that. I'd say we've fried the motherboard somehow.
Tried it.
Normally it kicks in and goes.
Yeah. Find enough clothes to wear until Friday night.
We'll be right. You got 3 pairs of socks. We'll have to be right.
You jabbed me with your nails. You did it again, just then.
Now, lift it up. Good. You alright?
Yeah.
Just lay it down on its back out here, drain all the water out of it before we put it on the trailer. unproductive afternoon. It didn't work out how it was supposed to.
No.
Fix the washing machine, you said.
Or
blow it up completely.
blow it up.
Well, the afternoon's disappeared. It's already 10 to 4. I better go pick these kids up. You going to feed the chooks?
Yeah, I'll do that while you go and get the kids.
And it's not raining. The wind's cold.
I know, I should put a jersey on. Quick.
I'll go put the heater on in the car. How was school?
I almost fell asleep in like 3 classes.
Oh, that's too late.
I don't wanna be a soldier, be the captain of some sinking ship with stone far below. So if you love,
And this to go with it. Is that cool? We missed that. We're missing them. And this is yours for niece. It's got a patchwork. And this, which is very similar to Riley's jersey he's got. The same colours, just in different things. They look cool? Yeah?
Can I read them right now?
You can try them on. Colton? Got a cool dude.
Yeah.
Yeah? And... So did you. Let me see,
Let me see, Harley. Whoa, pretty cool.
I'm so nice to see one here on the side. It looks like
Yeah.
no, I need to pull them up. I want to it looks like
Yours looks cool, Harry. Come